10 years ago, I participated in my first vision quest. And it was a deeply profound and life-changing experience. I came out and I knew what I had to do. I didn't like what I had to do, but I knew it was really right.
It's an amazing thing to go on a vision quest. It is the most precious, clear and uncluttered container and situation and ceremony where you can actually encounter yourself and all the layers of yourself.
A vision quest is actually quite a simple thing. You go into nature, to a place that feels natural, a wilderness site, and you spend 4 days and 4 nights alone in a circle that you choose, with a tarp and maybe a reindeer hide and your water. And you go into that confrontation with yourself, into the mirror of nature. And you go in with all your longings and all your questions, and you pray and lament for a purpose and a vision in your life.
The outline of the vision quest is that you'll arrive, you have 1.5 days of preparation with us quest protectors. Then there's the solo time, 4 days, 4 nights out by yourself with minimal equipment, fasting in your circle, 3-meter circle. And then after the 4 days and 4 nights, there's 1.5 days of integration, celebration, and basically angling out back into the world.
If you go through an experience like a vision quest, and you're doing it isolated for yourself, you might not be understood by anyone around you for what you're doing and for what you're going through. So to do this as a group and have like the same baseline, that you have gone through this together, is incredibly valuable, because it helps you to validate each other and like to say this really happened and this is important. Once you commit to the vision quest, I would say take it fully serious, embrace the preparation, embrace the ride, whatever form it takes, and then show up with all your presence for the 8 days. Be prepared to go offline for 8 days, and commit to the biggest gift you're probably going to give to yourself.